Don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna wrap me up, I'm holding back. Tryna get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there. I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining. All I wanna do is avoid the violence. But you're here again, I'm losing it. There's no more screaming in silence. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the cracks. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. Yeah, yeah. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Are you with me? On the rainbow, curtain in the city, rushing through me. Downpour, upstream. Are you with me? Feel it.
field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go. Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voices, I'll guide you. You give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna bid you a hard, cold goodnight. Baby, hang on to your ticket, you're doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light. If not you, not here, then I don't know. As above is ever so below. Something here was bound to take me
This is God-given, not from blue tops like Marge Simpson. Just hard discipline, pot simmering, cooking up, no rocks in the pan. Watching the plan form in the sand, bidding castles out of thoughts in our head. Late nights, no sleep in my bed, trying to see my dreams manifest. Look at that, now look at that, we nice. Put the past on ice, I was bad like Mike. Now I'm good like Kendra said, boy, we gon' be alright. I just doubled my price, I get love on sight. That's the only love I like. Now look at that, we nice. For all the ones who showed up with no motives. That fake love is so bogus. I don't take love from false owners. Don't respect those who promote it. On paper, you look honest. On the outside, looking in. Like, oh wow, look at them, your time passed. Look again, now my glasses to the brim. I'm throwing passes to the rim. Shots, we going in. Not too bad for middleman. Took some jazz. Drinking every night, so no. I'm drinking to the heart. I'm drinking to the heart. Put the past on ice. I was bad like Mike, now I'm good like Kendra said, boy, we gon' be alright. I just doubled my price. Yeah, I get love on sight. That's the only love I like. Now look at that, we nice. Put the past on ice. Now look at that, we nice. Put the past on ice. Now look at that, we 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 nice. On the outside looking in. I was bad like Mike. Look at down your time pass. Look again, I'm my blessing. Going in, not too fast, little man. Took some jazz.
inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Welcome from the home of the New York Mets, Citi Field in Queens. The show has an NL East matchup. It's the Miami Marlins going up against the New York Mets. John Shambi, Chris Singleton with you. This crowd is ready for an unforgettable moment for our sport. Baseball is a game of tradition, but it's also ever evolving. Today, we get a chance to witness a major step in that evolution with the debut of the very first female Major League Baseball player. Singing, thanks for joining me on this momentous occasion.
I've got chills, Boog. I mean, the first woman to play in the bigs. This is the stuff of legends. The atmosphere here in the ballpark is absolutely electric, and rightly so.
All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this. Now here's the cleanup hitter for Miami, Jake Berger.
This kid picked up in a trade. A lot was offered and given to get him, but he's got a real high ceiling.
Though Chris, through the early stages, he hasn't been very efficient in terms of the pitch count. He's going to need to get some quick outs if he's going to get deeper into this game. Swing and a ball hit out towards left center field. Chubby pulls it down, and that is that. Marlins lead one. They lead it 1-0. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. And stepping in for New York, Tater Tot Chubby. Let's take a moment now as she steps up to the plate for the very first time. This is a milestone that transcends the game itself. Liner, base hit. That wasn't just a hit. That was a statement, Simi. And I think this crowd of the players on the field got the message loud and clear. I have arrived.
Just an amazing moment to witness for everyone in the ballpark, the fans at home and us in the booth. The first female in MLB history just got a hit in her very first at bat. I know, I'm on my feet right now.
Ronnie Mauricio now. Perez checks the runner. Chubby dives back in safely. The 2-2 down. Swings and misses, struck him out.
Man, I really like the ability to bounce back right there after not getting a call he probably should have gotten. He didn't let it affect his focus, and he came back with another good pitch to get him swinging.
And a swing and a miss, down on strikes, and there's 2 away. Starling Marte up to hit.
Now back, right field, Starling Marte.
2 outs. Swing and a ball popped up. No trouble here, puts it away for the out. And that'll do it. Mets lead 1. They're down 1-0. And now the switch hitting first baseman Josh Bell.
Number 9.
Ball to strike. The pitch. Back up the middle and a base hit.
Right there, does a great job of staying in the big part of the field. Man, there are a lot of hits there.
Ryan De La Cruz.
Everyone on the edge of their seat once again as she steps into the box. Let's see if she goes 2 for 2. That one hammered left field. That's back there. And it's out of here. Her first round tripper. And we watch history being made once again.
You know her teammates are going absolutely crazy in the dugout, ready to welcome her back.
It always goes much better in my head, but the feelings end up wasting, so I'm sorry for breaking down when you said you got it.
Always scary for a pitcher when a hitter can take a fastball down the middle and hit it to the opposite field. No holes in a swing like that, and that time that ball was hit hard.
Now batting, center fielder, Tater Tot.
Base hit, rallies in. And they hold the runner at third. Bases remain loaded here. Still only one gone.
Such great concentration. Everybody on their feet, knowing that you can come through with a good swing. And there she doesn't try to do too much.
One down. So up next for New York, Ronnie Mauricio. This is what stat nerds like myself might call a high leverage situation.
Yeah, Boo, not sure what the numbers say, but clearly an at-bat that could change the course of this game dramatically.
Back to work, 3-2 now. Swing and a miss, struck him out. Huge strikeout there.
Got to give him a huge amount of credit on the mound right there. He got squeezed a little bit on the pitch right before that one. You know it should have been a strike. Everyone in the building knew that it should have been a strike, but he didn't let it get to him and throw him off his game. Came back with another good pitch for the punch out with the bases loaded. That's good pitching right there.
Here's the third baseman, Brett Beatty.
A little surprised we don't see a pinch hitter here with the lefty-lefty matchup.
The pitch. In the air, right side. He's got it, and that'll end the inning. 8th inning coming up. It's the Marlins 3 and the Mets 2. Tater Tot Chubby up now for the Mets. She's already homered here in this one. And there's no doubt that they'll feed off the energy from this crowd, right?
I mean, yeah, I'd say the intensity level has gone up a few notches for sure.
Swing and a miss. And that is strike one.
Well, you got to find a way to catch up to that pitch. Perhaps shorten the swing, eliminate the stride. That one came in hot. Right?
This one's well hit. Way back there. On its way out of here. Grand slam. Another homer. Her second home run of the game. It's 7-3. Listen to these fans.
This place is absolutely buzzing right now. You can feel the energy all the way up here in our broadcast booth. Just an unbelievable turn of events here. I mean, they've been putting together solid at-bats all inning. They set the table for her, and she delivered big time to get them the lead. Huge momentum shift on that swing, and now we'll see if they can hold on.
So 2 down, and now for the Marlins, Luis Arias. He's kind of an outlier, especially when guys are consciously sacrificing contact to deliver power.
Yeah, his swing is so good, it's in the zone a long time. He gets the barrel to it a lot, and that produces more base hits.
Right-handed reliever. Sends it to center, and that's going to do it. She puts it away, and that'll do it. The Mets take the series opener here at home. Chubby had a great showing in the win. 4 hits, 2 of them leaving the yard.
Well, they may want to change how they approach her next time because she was just incredible in this one. She looked like a threat every time she came up.